in level 3, Baker Circle, shows fast swimming here. I think he's the favorite to take the victory. Also, last year's champion in lane number 2, workouts for Albania, also a fast man. But right now, it's lane number 7, we are seeing from Sweden leading the way. 26.72. Also, Armin Linde in lane number 5 is the fast track row. He got second in the 100 meter. But now it's correct still, showing the fast, very fast. Second, 50 here, 29.12. Leading the lane number 100 meter mark. Track row is all about having a nice rotation. Some nice dolphin kicks over the water. We want to see a little forward, man. Schools integrated. This is speeding up. Maybe he can catch up with Armin in lane number 5. Well, right now it's Baker Circle. Sure that he's class above all the competitions now. And it's going to be Gregor